to make round LED TV advertisement on After Effects. You must have seen these types of advertisement on any events, malls or restaurants. So let's start with the making process.
So let's start. First of all, we will create new composition. I am going to name it as add. You can take any specified dimension. I am going to take height as 168 pixel and width as 42 pixel. I am going to choose white as my background color. So let's start with editing. First I am going to import all of these images. You can import your logos, images or GIFs, and then we will resize them all. After resizing, I will align them perfectly. I will use the middle alignment. You can give equal space to each of them. Then after this, commit your changes now only, or else it would be harder later. Now we will write our text like any offer deal or company name or slogan. Then I will commit my final changes and then let's go to GIF. If you are using GIF, we will use loop like this. Select your GIF, then go to time and enable time remapping. Then we will alt click on this clock and we will choose this arrow and then go to property and then select loop out. Then we will stretch this GIF to the end of the video. Now this GIF is in loop and we can use it everywhere. We will commit our changes to every loop in this project. Now all of our GIF are in a loop, then we will pre-compose it all. I will name this as my first video and then I will clone this. Now let's come to the most important part. We will start with our animation with first video. And this would be my second video, so it will come later and you can hide it. So this is my first video. This video has to travel from center point to the left point, and then second video will come from the right point to the center. So I will take 20 seconds to the max. We will start from the center for first video, and at 20 point this video will go to the left. And here comes the second video. This video will come from rightmost part to the center part. Your video should look like this. It should look continuous. When first element like the shoes, it will go from left, then the shoes from right, it will come to the screen like this. You can make your final changes now. So I have committed all my changes. When you will look this in a round LED TV, this will be on loop and it will look continuous. We are going to export this video. We can use Adobe Media Encoder or we can use Render Queue. I'm going to use this inbuilt rendering.
So this is just the basic concept of our advertisement. You can be as creative as you want. You can use videos in your banner. We will be back again with new and unique topics. Do follow my channel and till then, bye.